what should you do after 12? I'd opened 47 different tabs trying to figure it out and still felt lost. I am Ahana Kapoor, I am the CEO and I have been there and I feel we all have at some point. The reality is that 65% of students in India choose their streams and colleges not on basis of some self-assessment, but their family pressure, peer pressure or random social media advice. The problem really isn't that the students are confused. The problem is that there is no intelligence system built for them. And that's where we bring Nexora.
Hi, I'm Agni Gupta. I'm the CEO of this company. Today, we are going to see what is exactly the solution for this problem, because we indulge ourselves in each and other activity and हमें पता नहीं होता actually हमें क्या करना है. So that's why we solve 3 core problems students face today. No direction, our AI roadmap provides you the specific journey for your building. Information overload, one platform replaces the 47 tabs that I open on your device. And nothing to show, the portfolio tracker will always be there with you to show your achievements, programs, internships and summer schools, whatever are coming. And no guidance, free mentorship councils will always be there to help you. Our product. Now, we solve this problem in 3 different ways. First is AI Career DNA Quiz. Take a personalized assessment and know that maps your interests, directions, everything in one single place. It is not a generic advice but your roadmap. Second is learn curated junior content built for grades 6 to 8. With bite-sized videos, simplified notes and curriculum mapped content. No endless scrolling, आपके हाथ में सही content दिया जाएगा. Build profile building ecosystem, built for seniors and freshers to access. They give curated internships, summer schools, whatever is needed. And there's a digital portfolio tracker and free mentorship consultation.
Hello judges, I'm Shwaya, the CEO of the company. So this is our market opportunity. India has over 250 million school students and 40 million college students. Our target audience includes grade 6 to 12 students, college freshers and parents looking for academic and career guidance. Even if Nexora reaches just 1% of the markets, it creates a 500 plus crore annual opportunity. We are not building for a niche market, we are building for the next generation of students across India.
Hello judges, I am Arja and I am the CMO of the company. To build initial user base and gather feedback, the first 1000 students will get free access. After that, Nexora follows a 199 rupees a month subscription model following premium resources, personalized recommendations, opportunity database, portfolio tracker.
So basically, it is a freemium model, which, like for the first 1000 students, like Arja said, we will provide them free. But after then, we have some programs and some premium things that are provided on some specific things.
Our go-to-market strategy is to partnership with schools through student ambassador programs, free workshops and 30 days of free trials. Also, our biggest marketing source would be social media, especially Instagram and YouTube, the most famous among the students. And we will also be focusing on building a community through WhatsApp or Discord channels, along with that running webinars and events.
Our team. Basically, today one of our members is not here for some specific event. Inaya Sharma, she is the CTO of her company. So, why we are the perfect team to build on this product? Because we ourselves indulge ourselves in each and every other activity and हमें पता नहीं होता हमें क्या करना है जिंदगी में. So this portfolio maker will provide us the exact हमें जो चाहिए interest detection test जो होगा, that will provide us कि what are our exact career paths that we should take, right? Yeah, traction. We have validated our idea through many other polls, through asking students that if this idea works for them. It obviously does, because students we see are indulging themselves in each and every other extracurricular activities. They are academically focused, but at the same time they do sports, they do dance, they do arts. They have to experience their choices, what are they want to do, right? We receive strong and positive feedback from them. So we are right now implementing on and testing on our product.
So this is funding. Today we are asking for 6 lakh in seed funding. This is exactly how we use every rupee. 2.5 lakhs will get into MVP website development, 1.5 lakhs will be used for marketing and student ambassador program to acquire users, and rupees 1 lakh will be invested in content creation, which includes videos, notes, quizzes, and remaining 1 lakh will support operations and mentor consultations. With this investment, we will launch, acquire our first 1,000 users and prove the model in 6 months. We are not building this from outside, we are the students with this problem.
We are the team Nexora. We are building the next era of students who not just focus on mark sheets but focus on real skill building and real work and real opportunities. Next era, next you.
One thing that I have a question of is that how will you target the specific student segments? If they are, for example, some students are interested in studying abroad, some students are interested in competitive exams, some students are interested in completely different things, right? So I couldn't see any specific use case of your product for one specific student, right? So my suggestion would be to work on reaching out to that one need, that for study abroad interested students we have this user interface, this will be their journey of learning, this how will their portfolio look like. Similarly for competitive exams and other things, so this doesn't speak out to the specific career paths that the user might have. Rest no questions, I think it's a great product. And Arja, you did really good.
Our learning sector is only built for that what you just said. It provides every mentorship counseling, like the test.
If it's specific to studying abroad, then you should mention that because
not only studying, yes, we already have that.
great job guys, yeah, please show.
अपने इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से हम करियर गोल्स लर्निंग स्टाइल सिलेक्ट करते हैं ताकि प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए रिलेवेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज सजेस्ट कर सकें. We have based on trend research, these are opportunities, AI ethics and government research, and we can click and apply for these. Then this is our learning sectors. यहाँ students अपनी practical skills develop कर सकते हैं through coding and development, public speaking, AI and technology, research skills, Olympiads and creative skills. Students can also participate in extracurricular events such as master classes, independent research papers, and tech exposure and design workshops. So this is our foundation learning. Public speaking and essentials. यहाँ students अपनी communication skills, confidence और presentation skills build कर सकते हैं. AI tools and advanced prompt engineering. यहाँ students can learn how to use AI effectively for innovations and research. Design, identify resume builder. Students यहाँ पे अपनी personal brand hold
In your prototype on our portfolio, right? Okay.
So when students complete foundation learning, they can unlock advanced capstone projects. They can publish. We have independent research papers and premium building profiles.
Individual courses.
These are individual
Yes.
courses.
Apart
These
from
are
our monthly subscriptions.
these are free courses and these are paid courses. They can unlock.
Yes.
And students can also participate in internships.
How will you reach out to companies who will offer these internships to the students?
Because like marketing, social media, or like these days now students and education policies are trying to focus more on this. Like in our school also, we are now doing more workshops and everything. So I think every school or university wants a better representation.
No, our question is our corporate. For example, I'm running a corporate. We do this kind of work. So how would I get these internships? Like, will you guys come to us to hold outreach?
How will you reach out to companies who will offer the internships to your students?
Mom, we will reach out to them, we will have appointments and take long discussions with them because it's for their own benefit, right? A part of this show that the students are coming and investing in us and they will also appreciate because kind of it's.
Got it. Thanks a lot, guys. I think
Then we have for students interested in academics and vision, we have researchers like student research fellows, junior associate writers, STEM researchers.
Shania, I think we've understood. Thanks a lot.